Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update React UI with Material UI theming best practices, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your React UI using Material UI theming best practices, start by ensuring you have your development environment set up properly. First, install Material UI and its core packages. Use npm or yarn to add the required dependencies to your project. Once installed, import the necessary components from Material UI in your main application file. Create a custom theme using the Create Theme function provided by Material UI. Define your palette to include primary and secondary colors that align with your brand identity. Customize typography settings within your theme to create a consistent text appearance across your application. Use the theme provider component to wrap your application. Next, replace inline styles with Material UI components wherever possible to maintain consistency. Leverage the Make Styles or Style API for creating reusable styles that adhere to the defined theme. Utilize the SX Prop feature for quick style adjustments while keeping them themable. Test your application by running it locally to ensure that the theme is applied consistently across all components. Adjust the theme dynamically by incorporating a state management solution for added interactivity. Ensure that you handle dark mode gracefully by extending your theme to support a dark palette. Explore Material UI's built-in components that are already themed, which can enhance your UI without additional effort. Finally, document your theme settings and component customizations to aid in future updates or team collaborations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.